déjame a la morra.
Esto es un business.
Un business, chingada madre, pero necesito desquitarme de ese pinche cabrón.
Está bueno.
¿Quién es? ¿Quién es este güey?
¿Dónde encontraste eso? No.
¿Quién es? La neta me vale madres quién sea. Porque ese tipo está tirado en la calle. Con mi marca en su jeta.
Ya está vacía. Muéstrame tu carita de bebé.
Mira.
Este es su cuchillo.
No.
Si se queda tranquilo, esto debe aguantar. Tiene una contusión cerebral importante, si sabes que va a estar en el hospital, ¿verdad?
Ya sé.
Bueno. Mira, debido a la contusión, va a tener sensibilidad al ruido, a la luz. Debería estar mejor en un par de días. Carmencita, tú sabes lo mucho que te aprecio, pero esto que estás haciendo es una locura.
No te preocupes.
Sí. Nos vemos.
¿A dónde va?
You're up.
Yeah.
Are you okay?
Who are you?
Carmen Delgado. What is your name?
John.
Your truck is in the garage, by the way.
How did I get here?
I brought you here.
You don't even know me.
Why do I have to know you? You were in trouble. I don't know, I would do it for anyone.
Why were you even there?
I'm an independent journalist. I was following Flaco, a pimp who drugs and sells girls. I saw you in the club, watching him. I saw what you did to him.
How long have I been here?
4 days.
4 days.
Mm-hmm.
Please. You gotta tell me. Where are the men that took her?
Who did they take? Your daughter?
Yeah. Where is she? Who are they?
The Martinez brothers. They took my sister. They found her dead from an overdose 2 years ago.
Sorry. You just gotta tell me where you think they are.
No, it doesn't work this way. There's too many of them. Are you crazy? What?
I'm not thinking about that.